So I just took possession of the box, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and I'm super excited. I'm literally just got to the office, and now I am heading back home to get this party started. My heart is literally racing right now. I know it sounds silly, but it's like I'm so excited for this device. And now here we are, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G in all of its amazing glory. This is a substantial box. Look how they did the Z. This is really nice. And it just comes out of the sleeve. Nice and easy. I'm showing you guys the same time I'm getting to see it. Change the shape of the future. I like that. So here's our stuff. Oh my, look at this. This feels like a really strong tablet. So here we have a charger, and I believe this is going to be a 25-watt charger, which is kind of a shame because I have a 45-watt charger that I really can't do anything with these days because it worked on the Ultra and the Note 9, I think, and now it's just... So here's a nice, lovely USB-C to USB-C cable. Thank you, Samsung. There is no fear of anything else being in this box. Do not remove the screen protector film and do not install other films or stickers. Doing so may cause product damage. So is this basically saying that if I put a third-party screen protector on, it's going to cause damage? So this is my first touch of this device. I played with the Fold 1, if you will, at Best Buy briefly. Now, with the screen off, you 100% can see that crease. I am told by users that it goes away after a day or so of use. You don't even notice it. So this is the Z Fold. So let's fold it. So let's just fold. Oh, like snaps. That hinge is like nothing we've ever seen before. It's just boom, Samsung. This is a gorgeous color. This is the front screen. This is the camera. I think they went with the three 12 megapixel lenses, which honestly, it works great for Apple. So why in the world should they change it for anything else? So let's go ahead and without further ado, get this thing turned on and see what that process looks like. Okay. All right, so here we go.
A few moments later.
So I just spent some time with this wonderful device. And if you're wondering what's different other than just you have two screens, it folds, which is a big giant deal in itself. I just want to go ahead and just share a couple things with you really quick. I want to run through with you the photo options because you have more options to take photos with this device than anything I've ever seen before. So photo taking from the very beginning, right? You start off. Here it is, which is pretty substantial, right? So here, when I flip it around and I rotate it, and now I'm basically I'm on selfie mode, if you will. Now over here, if we want to go ahead and take a selfie, you can go like this, bend the screen a little bit, and it gives you a preview of what you have going on and then a little mission control down there. So that's pretty cool. So now when you have it activated on this mode, you can go ahead and hit that button. And now you're looking at it kind of at your selfie mode. And then you hit this up there, which means you open it up all the way and you're like in full screen selfie mode. So here is where you get a whole bunch of options, whereas you're using these lenses right here. See, right there. So that way you get the goodness of the main photo lenses in all your pictures, which is pretty amazing right there. If you want to go ahead and go back to the regular mode, that's all you have to do. Just open it and close it and reset it, and you are good to go. So let me go ahead and show you a great way to highlight how to use dual apps. So if we're here chilling and we're in YouTube, and we also have the desire to do, let's say, a Chrome browser, we'll go over there from our little Edge menu, pull that over, and look, there we go. We have Google right there at our fingertips. If we got to research something, if we got to type something out, if we got to, let's say we change our mind, we don't want to search the web, but we want to take notes on a video. We can also take pictures if we want. So there's all sorts of, I mean, the possibility on this thing, it's pretty cool once you get into it and you're like, wow, these are like dual screens all over the place. Like I have two things going on in my hand at the same time. How in the world did I ever exist without this? So I think that is about it for my first exploring into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This thing, it feels amazing. I mean, if we just want to go ahead and do a quick comparison, which I know you do, we have the Z Fold and we have the Note. So you can see that this is definitely, it's twice the device. I mean, this is essentially a little thinner than the Note. I would say just a little thinner. There is 2 batteries in here, so I can't imagine this is going to have impressive battery life. This has 3 screens, 5 cameras. There's just absolutely no way this thing's gonna have great battery life. It might have okay battery life, but I do wish that this did come with a S Pen, but I get it. There was just absolutely nowhere to put the S Pen. If they provided S Pen support and you can kind of use it, that would be super awesome. So I do like it a lot. I might love it. This is what I was afraid of. I was deathly afraid that I was going to get ruined for all future devices and I'll be like, ah, this is my phone. This is my forever phone. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Show me some of that algorithmic love. Share my content with your friends and family on social media. And for the love of tech, till next time, namaste.